overview of this exhibition and how this project came to life, I would like to call on the event planner of Artistic Events. Please help me welcome Ms. Argentina Morata.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, artistic friends, guests, partners, and to everyone joining us today. It is truly a blessing to stand before you as we open this meaningful art exhibition, Divine Expressions, ZZMC Revelation Art Exhibit. This event was born out of a simple yet powerful vision: to use art as a reflection of God's Word. Divine Expressions remind us that God continues to speak not only through the scriptures, but also through the hearts and minds and creative hands of each artist. The heart of this exhibit is to reveal how God's promises come alive through art, showing that His word never fails, and everything He declares will be fulfilled in His perfect time and divine purpose. On the first floor, you will find a beautiful collections of artworks for sale by talented Filipino and international artists. Each piece reflects their heartfelt interpretation of faith, vision of the new heaven and new earth, and symbols of divine promise. These artworks are not just for display. They are vessels of inspiration meant to bless the homes and hearts of those who take them in. When you purchase an artwork, you are not only supporting the artist, you are also becoming part of a greater mission to spread faith through art. Meanwhile, on the second floor, you will discover the viewing gallery of Korean artists, showcasing their divine revelations and interpretations through their unique styles. Together, these two floors represent a bridge of unity, a collection of faith and creativity that connects people beyond language, culture, and nation. On behalf of Artistic Events, I sincerely thank all the artists, our partners, curators, and guests who make Divine Expressions possible. Your support, prayers, and participation have turned this vision into reality. May this exhibition inspire your heart, deepen your faith, and bring you closer to our everlasting God, the ultimate source of all beauty, wisdom, and revelation. Kamsahamnida. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Ms. Argentina Kamsahamnida, for the beautiful message. Okay, next I'd like to move on to some of our distinguished guests and supporters who continue to uplift the art community. I'd like to start with the Congressman who has graced us with his presence today. Congressman Jesus Manuel Bong Sutay, representative of the 4th District of Quezon City. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Una sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat at magbigay-bugay sa invitasyon na naibigay sa akin upang masaksihan kasama dito sa opening ng ating art gallery. Sa OIC ng Cultural Affairs Office at ng Sons University, Mr. DJ Tangana, sa ating kasama din, kay Ma'am Argentina, ng hapon po, of course, to the Zion Christian Mission Center, represented by Ms. Shara Corsi, sa ating mga kasamahan, to the visionary minds behind this beautiful convergence of talent and spirit, Artistic Events, Adamson's Art Club, Vantage Point Media, and Art Community PH. Maraming salamat muli sa panyaya at oportunidad na maging kabahagi ng isang makabulang selebrasyon ng sining, pananampalataya, malasakit sa kapwa. I also acknowledge my fellow guests, kay Colonel Edison Bong Nebria. Sir, ito very, very famous, parang sikat na artist nito. Lagi ko napapanood sa kanyang vlog at sa Facebook. Kay Inang Tina Ryan. Nasa si Tina? Johnny Gomez. Sir, Chef Mike Crisologo. Nagluluto pa. Kanina, nasaksihan natin si one of our featured artists, Elito Amang Pintor. Sin Alba Gomez, Lopez, sorry. Kay Ginong Roberto Gonzalez, but so not clear. Ngayong hapon, we stand surrounded not just by canvases or brushstrokes, but by the quiet power of human expression. An expression of faith, love, and a courage to create beauty, even in a chaotic world. Maraming salamat sa imbitasyon na ibinigay nyo para masaksihan